Alright, I've made a lot of progress. And the airplane is all painted, top and bottom. Decals are on. Propellers are on. I've started putting clear parts on. There's the top and the sides, and I'm working on the tail section right here. It's going to have a machine gun in it and a seat right there. And then there's a nose section here that's going to have a machine gun also. It's sitting right there. There is the main canopy right there, all ready to go. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do on my model is these last four decals. These are the yellow sections that are on the leading edge of the wings around the engines. I've noticed that the Japanese did this a lot on several of their planes. Here they show you them marked right there where they go. So I've got them all lined up in the spots they're going to go. And hopefully these things are going to wrap around, because they wrap around the bottom and go around to the top portion of the leading edge there. So we shall see what we shall see. Alright, so this thing is done. I'm not going to go any further with it. Came out pretty good, I think. Got some figures sitting in there. Kind of did a little bit of a weathered, worn paint job on it. Like it's seen a little use, perhaps. I didn't do any of the panel lines like a lot of people do, but I didn't feel that was necessary. This is a pretty good kit by Tamiya. It goes together fairly easily. They give you little poly caps for the propeller so they move. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I build a model.